What's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to learn a side flip inside of your house. But you gotta focus. All right guys, first thing is first. What you're gonna wanna do is get yourself a mattress. If you don't have a mattress available, you can use couch cushions. Just put them together like a little puzzle piece or pile some blankets on each other. But this mattress is actually gonna really benefit us in some of the later steps, and we'll get to that in a minute. First step for learning the side flip, I want you guys to stand up on your mattress, and then you're gonna do a front roll. Beginners are gonna be like, front roll, woohoo, going straight on like that. No, all right? First of all, if you did that on the ground, you would probably hurt your cervical spine. When you do a front roll, you usually tuck to one side and you go from one shoulder to the opposite hip. For me, I like to roll from my right shoulder to my left hip, left side of my hip. So I go like this, boom, like that. Other people might like this way, boom. Okay, I want you to determine which way is more comfortable for you, all right? Now, because I like to go from my right to my left hip, that means I'm gonna be side flipping with my right foot out first, like this. Do you see how that works? Because my roll is this way, my side flip is that way. Now, you guys are gonna build an apparatus. What do I mean by that? You're gonna build yourself an obstacle using couch cushions, pillows, whatever the heck, maybe a poop, about waist high. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna do your front roll over that. But first, you're gonna start low, about knee height, okay? Oh, bam. And you're gonna work your way up and try to almost like, not really clear it, but try to just be light on top at knee height. Once you're feeling pretty light, increase the height and then try to roll over that. Oh, sick. That's gonna get you kind of used to just like jumping, rolling over. Take this away now. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna just work on the upper body motion, focusing just on that upper body, starting low. You could turn a little bit this way, all right? Like you got the side flip setup going on, leading leg a little bit out in front, leading knee in this case. What you're gonna work on doing is you're gonna work on crunching down, body up, and then in. Bend at the hips a little bit, up, down. And then when you're getting zelly, you're gonna go like this, up, down, like that, okay? And try to flip your lower body above your upper, going sideways. Down, down. And this is gonna get you training that upper body motion to get you up and then in, up, in. Training it on the mattress like this is gonna help your body learn that prime timing for getting that snappy, poppy, slick, smooth side flip. Like with that parkour flow, you know where those guys just go like, so work on that a couple times, down, up, in. To help really simulate that side flip technology going on, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start up here, okay? And then you're gonna drop to your knees. Right after the bounce, you go up and then in. It's like a trampoline, watch. When doing it like this, you're really gonna focus on the tucking point, the flipping point. After you take off of the mattress or the couch cushions, right at about 90% maximum altitude, bring your knees in, tuck your upper body up, get that rotation around. You're gonna know you're doing good when you feel that rotation. You're going to feel that rotation just like you're on a merry-go-round. You feel everything like this. That's how you know you have a good rotation. Run up to it, knees. Oh yeah, when you almost get back to your knees, that's how you know things are going well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the apparatus back, okay? Now what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to apply that side flip flow feeling that you learned on your knees from the bounce to the jump over the apparatus, to the jump roll, but instead of rolling, we're gonna try to clear the object, okay? Tuck. Oh, yeah. Try to clear it, just like that feeling you learned with the knees, man. Woo. Oh yeah, it's gonna guide you over that thing. If you land on your feet on the mattress, you can land it on the ground. If you land almost on your feet, you can probably land it on the ground. The mattress is like a foot off the ground. Well, depending on how thick your mattress is, this is a pretty thick one. All right, that's how I like it. Remember, when you're rotating, you wanna feel the pull, okay? If you stop feeling the pull and you kinda hit this thing, then you kinda gotta step back, work on the jump, up, rotation. Do it till you land on your feet on the mattress. Even if you fall, you know at least your feet are touching first. This is it. It's time to do this. Move everything out of the way, guys. Now, if you want to break this down more, you can remove the mattress and put some couch cushions or a blanket down there, but I'm just gonna go for it. All right? If you're feeling zealous. Oh! So yeah, you can leave the mattress there at first and try it on there. You could take that away, move it to some blankets, stacked blankets or couch cushions and slowly get it to get to the ground, or you can just go for it like I did, okay? But it's all pretty much the same from there. You just rotate around, you try to land on the feet, all right? And walk it off. Got my thermal on. Thank you guys so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out. Thank you for this suggestion. Let me know which flip you guys would like to learn next inside of the house. If you guys are looking to get in shape or stay in shape during these cold winter months, check out my calisthenics program, Bodyweight Beast. It's a 12-week bodyweight only training program available on onlykindsfitness.com. Peace. You all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.